Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to color grade a clip on Final Cut Pro. So select the clip that you want to color grade and then click on this triangle icon. So currently there are three options over here: color, saturation and exposure. From the color setting you can adjust the color of the clip. So if I drag it upwards or downwards, you can see that the color of the clip is changing. If I drag it upwards or towards a yellow color, you can see that the color is changing. If I drag this one, I'll adjust the color values for the shadows. So over here you can see that again the color is changing. And if I drag this one, I'll adjust the color values for the midtones. And if I adjust this one, I'll change the color values for the highlights. Now if I click on saturation, I can either increase it over here or decrease it. And as you can see, if I increase it, my clip is getting oversaturated, and if I decrease it, my clip is undersaturated. You can also adjust the saturation for the shadows by dragging this up or down. You can adjust the saturation for the midtones by dragging this up or down, and you can adjust the saturation for the highlights by dragging this up or down. And now if I click on exposure, I can drag this up or down to increase or decrease the exposure of my clip. If I drag this up or down, I can adjust the exposure for the shadows. If I drag this up or down, I can adjust the exposure for the midtones. And if I drag this up or down, I can adjust the exposure for the highlights. So that is how you color grade a clip on Final Cut Pro. Thank you.